Hi everyone, welcome back to our new YouTube tutorial. Today I will be showing you the different types of columns and pens that I use for my calligraphy. I'm your host Irfan. First I will introduce you to the pens I use, then I will explain how they work, what they cost and share my personal experience with each of them. Number 1. Pilot Parlor Pens. These usually come in a set of 4. They are a bit expensive. In India, they cost around 800 to 1000 rupees per pen, making the total around 3000 to 4000 for the full set. Despite the price, they are very beginner friendly. They come with built-in ink cartridges, so you don't need to worry about dipping them into ink. Their nibs are parlor, which gives a unique and consistent stroke. Number 2. Leonardo Dip Nib. This one is actually a nib inserted into a nib holder. It's a 6 mm nib. I have to admit this one is the best dip nibs I have used, and it's also great for beginners. It cost me around 300 rupees. Number 3. Local steel Chiseled Qalams. These are locally made pens with a steel nib and wooden handle. They perform really well, but they are not very beginner friendly. Each one costs me around 50 rupees. Number 4. Parlor Steel Dip Pens. These are one of my favorites for English calligraphy. They are affordable, have a plastic grip, and cost me around 100 rupees per pen. They are a great choice for the both practice and professional work. Number 5. Bamboo Qalams. These are very popular among Arabic calligraphers because of their low cost and beginner friendly nature. You can find them at various prices worldwide, or even better, you can make them yourself. If you would like a tutorial on how to make bamboo columns, please comment below. Number 6. Flat ice cream stick pens. These pens are made from flat ice cream sticks. Yes, really, they are very beginner friendly and basically costs nothing to make. If you would like to see a tutorial on how to make these pens, let me know in the comments. Now let's see how each of them writes one by one.